Today we are in another beautiful beach here in Hatillo in Puerto Rico, and this is very close to the Home Depot located in Hatillo. This is Sardinera Beach. I'm gonna show you the entrance. You can find a parking lot that you can pay $5, and there's a guy that takes care of the cars here in this area. And you can eat in this restaurant Maryland. You have a restaurant in this area, very nice, and you have a complex of apartments in the area. And this is the way to come here from the traffic line from the Home Depot area here in Hatillo. I like this beach. We are gonna check it out to see if the water is clear, nice, and beautiful. And let's check it out. You have several kiosks that you can stay there with your family. And this is the beautiful beach. The water looks good, and the sunset in this area is really beautiful. We are gonna check it out today, the sunset in this area. The water is nice and clear, and I'm going in that area to swim a little bit and wait for the sunset today. The name of this beach is Sardinera, located in Hatillo, Puerto Rico. It's like 12 minutes or 15 minutes from my house here in Arecibo. Very close, very convenient. I don't have to go far for a nice beach, and I can spend a nice time here. Okay, let's take a swim. when you come to this beach, you have to be very, very carefully because of these precious animal that have a lot of devices, and if you touch it and get stuck in your skin, and it's really painful. You have to wear shoes like this and always look where you put your feet, because there is a lot, especially in the rocky area like this one. This is Sardinera Beach here in Hatillo, Puerto Rico. Oh, this looks like a small pool. Oh, a crab. You run away. There is two more over there. In Hatillo, Puerto Rico. Thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna be posting more videos about this beautiful island, Puerto Rico. I am right now in Hatillo, and see you in the next adventure. Thank you. Bye.